Hey beauties, it's your daily dose of love punch. If you're new here, punch that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos.
Do you dream of rapping like your favorite K-pop idol? Get ready to shine on stage. This video will give you easy tips to start rapping with confidence and style. We're talking about something really fun. How to rap like a K-pop idol. Rapping is a huge part of K-pop, and some of our favorite idols are incredible rappers. If you've ever wanted to sound like them, you're in the right place. I'll be giving you the top 10 tips to help improve your rapping skills, so let's get started. Tip 1. Watch your favorite K-pop rappers and learn from them. Start by watching K-pop rappers that you really like. Each rapper has their own style and way of rapping. For example, RM from BTS has a powerful style, while Lisa from Blackpink can rap super smoothly. Notice how they change their speed, make pauses, and put feelings into their words. Learning from them will give you ideas for your own style. Tip 2. Practice your rhythm and flow. Rapping is all about rhythm or flow. The best K-pop rappers can change their rhythm to keep things exciting. Start by rapping along to songs with a steady beat. Once you get comfortable, try rapping to faster or more complex beats. You can use a metronome or a beat app to practice. This will help you stay in rhythm and make your rapping smoother. Tip 3. Work on clear pronunciation. In K-pop, pronunciation is super important. Idols often rap in different languages like Korean, English, and Japanese, so they need to be clear. To improve your pronunciation, practice saying words slowly, then speed up. Tongue twisters are great for this. Start slow and get faster. Clear words will make your rapping sound much better. Tip 4. Practice your breath control. Rapping, especially fast rapping, can make you run out of breath if you don't practice breathing. Good breath control is key. Try taking deep breaths before each verse, and do breathing exercises every day. One good exercise is breathing in for 4 counts, holding it, and then releasing it. This helps you manage your breath and keep your energy up during a performance. Tip 5. Write and remember your own lyrics. A great way to improve is to write your own lyrics. Even if it's just a few lines, it helps you find your own style and voice. Writing lyrics teaches you how words flow together, and memorizing them makes you more comfortable performing. Try writing about things you care about, then put them into lines that rhyme and flow. Tip 6. Record yourself and listen back. It's hard to know how you sound until you listen back. Recording yourself rapping lets you hear where you can improve. You might find that you need to work on your timing or make your words clearer. Don't worry if it doesn't sound perfect at first. Just keep practicing and recording. Over time, you'll see a lot of improvement. Tip 7. Try out different styles with your voice. One thing that makes K-pop rapping fun is how many different vocal styles there are. Idols often switch between strong, fast raps and smooth, gentle flows. Don't be afraid to try different styles. Experiment with different pitches like high and low voices, volumes, and emotions. This helps you find a style that stands out and feels like your own. Tip 8. Practice your stage presence. Rapping isn't just about your voice. It's also about how you look and move on stage. K-pop rappers own the stage with confidence and style. Try practicing in front of a mirror, work on standing tall, and add hand gestures that match your rap. Confidence is key here. It helps you look and sound like a real performer. Tip 9. Work on speed and clarity. Some K-pop rappers are known for their amazing speed. But rapping fast only works if people can understand you. Start slow, practice each syllable, and then slowly speed up. Apps like metronomes can help you increase your speed bit by bit. With practice, you'll be able to rap faster while keeping your words clear. Tip 10. Find your own unique style. Finally, and most importantly, be yourself. Every K-pop rapper has their own special style. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Maybe you have a smooth, calm style, or maybe you're full of energy and love fast rapping. Find your own voice, practice, and own it. Because I love you guys, I got 5 extra bonus tips for you. Bonus tip 1. Collaborate with friends or other aspiring rappers. One of the best ways to improve is by rapping with others. Find friends or online communities where you can share your raps and exchange feedback. Practicing with others will expose you to different styles, challenge you to think creatively, and even help you develop new techniques. Plus, it's fun and motivating to have a group of people who share your passion for rapping. Bonus tip 2. Warm up your voice before rapping. Just like singers, rappers need to warm up their voices to perform their best. Start with some gentle humming or lip trills to relax your vocal cords. You can also try simple scales or breathing exercises to loosen up. Warming up will help you hit the right pitch, control your breath, and keep your voice clear and strong, especially during fast or intense raps. Bonus tip 3. Build your vocabulary and wordplay skills. To keep your raps interesting, work on expanding your vocabulary and practicing wordplay. Many K-pop rappers use clever rhymes, puns, and metaphors. Try reading lyrics from different genres, exploring poetry, or even playing word games to get inspired. Having a larger vocabulary will help you create more unique and creative lines that stand out. Bonus tip 4. Add some signature sounds or catchphrases. Ever noticed how some K-pop rappers have signature sounds, ad-libs, or catchphrases that make them instantly recognizable? Think about adding a unique sound like a quick "hey" or "yo" between verses, or a phrase that's totally you. Play around with quirky sounds or expressions that fit your vibe. Something you can sprinkle into your raps to make them memorable and fun. Bonus tip 5. Use facial expressions to match your energy. K-pop idols are known for their expressive performances, and facial expressions play a huge role. Practice rapping in front of a mirror and try different expressions, like intense focus, playful smiles, or fierce looks, to match the vibe of your rap. Not only will this add personality to your performance, but it also helps you connect with your audience and bring more energy to your rap style. And that's it. My top 10 tips to help you rap like a K-pop idol. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to improve, remember that practice and patience are key. Your favorite K-pop rappers didn't become great overnight. They worked hard to get there. So keep practicing, have fun, and find your own style. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments who your favorite K-pop rapper is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay fabulous and keep glowing.
Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe. For more videos, click on one of the pictures on the screen.